Are you looking for a heat press machine's reviews? In this video, I will show you the 5 best heat press machines reviews based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Cricut EasyPress 2. Your everyday iron-on essential. Now with adjustable heat up to 400 F. Cricut EasyPress 2 gives you professional iron-on results in 60 seconds or less. Combining the speed of a heat press and the convenience of iron, EasyPress gives you fast and foolproof results that really stick, even after repeated washes. Eliminate guesswork with rigorously tested time and temperature settings for every project, apply gentle pressure, and when the beep sounds, you're done. Helpful safety features include an insulated resting base and auto shut-off feature. EasyPress is lightweight, portable, easy to store, and compatible with major brands of heat transfer material. And of course, it's a perfect complement to circuit cutting machines. The 4th product on the list is the Zeni Digital TShirt Heat Press. Zeni new 3rd generation 5-in-1 heat press machine. All kinds of hot stamping can be printed on cotton, hemp, chemical fiber, and other fabrics by heat transfer. Colorful image, portrait photo, landscape pattern can be baked on heat plate. Adjustable multi-spring pressure knob, full 360-degree rotation of swing-away design, allows the heating elements to be moved safely aside. It is especially suitable for making medals, commemorative cards, tombstones, cultural shirts, and various nylon hats. It is economical, practical, and exquisite. High-quality materials, durable, continuous printing. Improvement of aluminum heating plate, high thermostability, transfer heat faster. The 3rd product on the list is the RoyalPress TShirt Heat Press Machine. RoyalPress 15x15 Industrial Quality Intelligent Memory Digital Sublimation Heat Transfer Machine TShirt Heat Press Machine, Black Factory Direct to Customer. RoyalPress features an intelligent memory digital temp and time control system panel with memory function. Provides with an automatic countdown and alarm. The 2nd product on the list is the Mophorn Heat Press. Digital practical controller with a marvelous LDC appearance, featuring the digital display and button. Accurate time and temperature control to help you achieve efficient heat press effect. A portable handle can facilitate the movement. The flexible button is easy for adjusting the height. The swing with 360 degrees rotation design adopts professional mechanical oil, which can rotate 25,000 times without jamming. Durable and reliable handle. The well-upgraded rubber handle can effectively insulate high temperature or electricity, as well as prevent slipping and ensure safety. The 1st product on the list is the HiX Swingman 15. The HiX Swingman 15 heat press is perfect for startup, small, or mobile shops who are intent on high-quality impressions and reliable equipment for the sublimation market. The Swingman 15 offers the ability to do garment transfers ranging from youth to XL adult sizes, and accepts substrates up to 1-3/4 thick. The capability to imprint tiles, license plates, and mouse pads are all now available to you. Built under the same vision as the workhorse HT400, this swing-away design offers rugged reliability in a lightweight heat press. Recognized as one of the most reliable small-format swing-away heat transfer presses on the market, this unit packs a lot of punch. At the heart of the Swingman 15 is a 15x15 lifetime guaranteed cast-in heating element with a swing-away design that keeps the hot surfaces away from your hands and arms. It's engineered with a sturdy steel design and an easy-adjust pressure control, full-range temperature settings from off to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a heat indicator light, and a separate handheld digital timer. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.